Hello everyone! To add fonts to CapCut, first you need to download your desired font. For this example, we'll use dayfont.com, which is a popular free font website. Let's download this font called Sky Night. Click the download button. A zip file will be downloaded to your computer. Open the zip file by double-clicking it. Inside, you'll see the font file, which is skynight.otf. Double-click on this file to open it. A preview window will appear showing the font. Click on the Install button at the top. The font will be automatically installed to your system. Now let's check if it worked in CapCut. Open CapCut and start a new project or open an existing one. Add a text element to your timeline. Click on the text box and go to the Font section. Search for the font name you just installed, in this case Sky Night, and voila! As you can see, it's working perfectly, and the font is now available in CapCut. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.